How to change language in Netflix laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the language on a Netflix laptop. First, open Google Chrome on your phone and search for Netflix in the search bar. Then, tap on the first link that appears, which will take you to the official Netflix website. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu options, tap on Account to access your account settings. Once you're in the account settings, scroll down until you see the Edit Settings option and tap on it. Now tap on Languages, where you will see a list of available languages. Browse through the options, select the language you prefer, and once you've made your choice, tap on Save to apply the changes. After saving, your Netflix interface will update to display in the language you selected. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.